Everyone, welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. I've got here wheat honey chin chin. It is perfect for diabetics, and if you just want to stay healthy, you could fry it. It's all good. And if you want a healthier option, you could bake it. And one thing about it being baked is it still comes out brown as if it's fried. I've got the sifted wheat flour in a bowl. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is 3 cups of wheat flour. And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you don't have cinnamon, you could use nutmeg. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. 3 tablespoons of margarine. That's what I'm going to add to it. So I'm going to use my hands to mix it together, lifting it up. Well mixed together. Just look at it. So I'm going to make a well or a hole in the middle. It's sweet honey chin chin. This is the honey. It has stayed in the house for long. I think it's mixed with ginger, evaporated milk. You could use skimmed milk if you want to. Skimmed milk has low fat. And then this is the honey, 1/4. I've put it inside here. It's already in here. And then I'm going to use 1 egg. This is the 1 egg. This 1 egg, I'm going to pour enough milk to make half a cup. Pour the egg and the milk into a bowl. I'll add the honey to it, and then I'll mix everything together. Going to pour the wet into the dry. I'm mixing everything together using a fork. Let's see how long I can use a fork for. Still using a fork. As it seems now, I have to add more liquid to it. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of liquid. The liquid could be, I've stopped using the fork right now. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to it. If you like, you could use honey if you want it sweeter, or you could add more milk to it. So the total liquid I used with the 1 egg is 3/4. I'm still going to add one more egg to this. You might ask, why don't I just add everything together at once? So here goes the egg. The reason why I didn't add everything together at once is this is homemade wheat flour. And if you are using store-bought wheat flour, into diamond shape onto the greased baking paper. So it's ready to be baked in a hot oven. It doesn't take long. Almost done. So I'll stir it and then put it back into the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. It's all done. Away from the baked chin chin, let's move to the fried ones. The oil is already hot, so I'm just going to put it inside it. It's deep frying. Fry it for a minute or two more. It's done now, all brown. I'm going to drain it for a bit before I put it in the colander, or you could use paper napkins to get out all the oil. And that's it. We got our wheat honey chin chin baked or fried.